Have you ever thought about making extra money from your spare room? Well, you're not alone. With Airbnb, you can turn that empty space into a cash-generating asset. So, how does it work? It's simple. First, take some quality photos of your spare room. Make sure to clean and declutter the room before you take pictures. Highlight its best features like a big window or a cozy reading nook. Next, create your listing on Airbnb. Write a detailed description of your room, the amenities you offer, and a little bit about the neighborhood. Be honest and clear about what your guests can expect. After your listing is up, it's time to set the price. Do some research on other listings in your area. Price competitively, but don't undersell yourself. Remember, you're offering a unique personal experience, not just a room. Now, get ready to welcome your guests. Keep your room clean and well-maintained. Provide basic amenities like clean towels and toiletries. Be responsive and helpful to your guests' inquiries and requests. And lastly, don't forget to ask for reviews. Positive reviews will boost your listing and attract more guests. So now you know how to turn your spare room into a profitable venture. It's time to put your space to work and start earning. Remember, every step of the process is important, from taking attractive photos to asking for reviews. So, take your time, do it right, and watch as your spare room becomes a source of steady income. So why wait? Get started today. Your spare room is more than just an empty space. It's a potential gold mine waiting to be discovered. Thank you for joining us today. For more financial insights and tips, come back soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.